Perdona, mortel, cabrón. Sí, yo voy a echarle como 5 pesos o algo así. Sí, todo bien. You see that shit? Only $8. If I were to be riding on my fucking car, it would be no less than $50 on that motherfucker. Sudah vez un poco. My bad, G. We gotta get another one. Bro, I freaking went over a pothole. Not a pothole, a freaking bump. And the fucking bike bottomed out. Yeah, see you in a moment.
Hey, yo, that's D-Dog, that's D-Dog. Hey, bro, what's going on, bro? What's up, bro? Hey, bro, I see your videos, bro, and I just want an autograph, bro. Real talk, bro. I want an autograph.
So, we got out of the gym. Now time to head home. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. So, that means it's good. Man, such a beautiful sight. No motorized vehicle. Man, I don't know about that. Oh yeah. So boys, gotta go ahead and change a few things to the Hayabusa. Gotta change the chain and also the two sprockets, front sprocket and the rear sprocket. 1 second, let me take this bit of the helmet, cause I need to talk to you guys better. Like the fuck. Don't look at my dick. Too small, you probably couldn't see it. So yeah, bro, people look at me funny cause it's like, oh my god, look at that short ass man driving the fucking beast. Boom, look at that shit, bro. That shit fucking beautiful. Like, so we were here again in the park. Why? Cause I told you guys this is like one of my favorite spots to, I don't know, chill. In the entrance, the fucking bike, I stole that shit. That's all on me, bro. I don't know how to ride a bike like this shit. I just tell it, hey, ride, and that bitch right by itself. Like, you feel me? But fuck, the sun is fucking hitting me, and it feels good. I'm gonna get a suntan out of this bitch. But yeah, so you guys probably saw my chill ride and shit, going to the gym. Bro, heading to the fucking gym, there was like a little bump, speed bump. I don't know how to fucking talk, so shit. And the boost, it got it right, so I can raise it up a little bit, but I forgot to do that shit, and I went over the fucking bump, and that shit bottom out. So when I finished my ride, I had to look at the bottom of the bike to see if that bitch wasn't leaking oil, because it hit it pretty hard. But oh well. It has the headers and the exhaust right underneath it to like protect it and shit, so that saved it. If not, I would probably be stranded and shit. But yeah, bro, people look at me funny because I'm a 5'2" short ass driving this fucking big ass bitch, and it is a fucking funny sight to see. Oh my god, I fucking love this bike. I gotta go ahead and change the chain and the two sprockets, because when I'm riding in like first gear, this bitch, the chain is like touching in the chassis because of the 240 kit. So I gotta go ahead and see if they sell like a skinnier chain, but also that is pretty tough, so this bitch doesn't snap at me and hit me the fucking leg. But I don't know, I'm probably speaking some bullshit, but I will inform myself before buying shit and probably fix that bitch. And also this bitch, the kill switch, like this little box, if you wiggle the wires, that bitch will turn off. And let's say over here in this little corner I'm trying to turn, the fucking bitch will turn off. And right now it has like a little fix. I'm not gonna give you details on what we did, but I gotta buy a new kill switch so it doesn't turn on me. And I'm gonna be embarrassed, bro. I got social anxiety, bro. You don't see it. I don't like talking to people. I don't like people seeing me. So yeah, I'm gonna post 2 separate videos because I recorded like 40 minutes of footage that I don't want to post like 40-minute video, because you probably will see like 5 minutes and then leave the video. Because I don't know, bro, you people don't like me for some reason, and I get emotional. Like, I love you guys, you feel me? And yeah, so I'm gonna head home and edit video, drink like 5 monsters, because why not? Fucking love Monster. If you were to sponsor me, I would fucking love you. But yeah, take care guys, see you, and I hope you're having a good evening, good day, good night, and sleep thinking about me, okay? Take care.